Okay guys, today we are doing another restoration project. This is another Sandpro. If you saw any of my videos below, you'll know that we had 3 Sandpros and I've already redone one of them. Now we've gotten all 3 Sandpros for only $1,300. Yeah, it's a good deal. But problem is, none of them were running. So I did restore one of them. You can see it in the video below, but this one is about the Sandpro 5000 now, the second one that we're gonna get into. There it is. I've already put my degreaser on it, degreased the machine. I started doing some taping, but before we get into that, the story behind this was we paid $1,300 on eBay for this machine. And the story was it had no hydraulic power. They said it needed a pump, and the pump is $2,000. Nobody wants to pay $2,000 for a pump. So what I did was take the hydraulic pump apart and noticed it was really gunked up inside. There was actually some dirt inside. Luckily, there wasn't any really bad scoring inside, but one of the pistons seemed to be a little bit stuck in the chamber. I freed that up, cleaned the pump out, flushed the system, and I put a new filter on it now. The machine now actually has power. It's going up the hills, it's climbing out of the bunkers, and we have zero money invested so far other than the $1,300. So I got it taped. We're gonna paint this thing, make it look brand new, and we will have saved its life, and it will now be a $3,000, $4,000 machine when I'm done with it. You can see it's pretty faded. All right, there used to be some grip tape here on these machines, which is all gone. We got some glue remnants here still. The stickers I taped up. These things, you really got to tape them up if you want to get a nice clean paint. And not only that, just very important information that the operator needs to be able to read. The stickers weren't in great shape. I did tape them over. I may try to order some new stickers, but a lot of times these stickers are very hard to get. Tape these up, our gauges. Still got to cut these circles out here. But you can see everything is really old and scratched up, and we got another seat job to do here. This is falling apart, and she's definitely seen some better days. We are gonna 180 this machine around and make her something pretty to look at. Let's get started. Alright guys, so I have completed the project. How many hours do we got in here? This was actually 4 hours on doing the body work and everything. And I have approximately 8 hours on rebuilding the hydraulic pump. 12 hours, and money-wise we have the bumper coating for all the plastic trim. That's $9. Toro paint, that's about $10 a can. 19 bucks. The black paint for a lot of the metal, I think that was around $7, so about 26. And then the white farm paint, which was $10, that's about 36 bucks, and that was for the wheels. The Toro filter that we put on was about $10, and I'm going to need to replace the battery because the battery's not turning it over. That's going to be about 70 bucks. And the only thing I did not finish yet was this seat. So I thought I was going to have to rewrap it, but it looks like I'm going to get some 3M spray adhesive, and I'm going to respray it to that metal, and that will hold that seat down. And that spray is about $10 for that spray. We also changed the spark plug. Obviously we had to fill it with hydraulic fluid, did the fuel filters, things like that. It's around another $100 in supplies. So for $225, we basically took a machine that was complete garbage, and this is what it looks like now. Actually, first, let's show you the before picture. Now, here's the after. Bam! Can you believe the transformation of this machine? Absolutely gorgeous. This actually might be one of my favorite restores. I mean, look at how great this came out. Absolutely incredible. Love it, love it. Now this motor, let me show you. I gotta tell you, we could literally not even see this motor when we got it. It was just covered in grease. It was very poorly maintained. But look at the motor now. It just looks awesome. Everything looks new, looks great. I used some purple powered degreaser on it. But yeah, look at that. I mean, I'm very happy with the way this came out. The tank got all new plastic paint on it. And that's it, man. I just got to fix that seat. And I actually have a cover for this that I need to paint and put the cover on. And that would seal this all up here. But there it is. One last look. Bam. It's ready to go out and work and impress. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe below. Give me a like. I'm really trying to get my subscribers up. I work hard on these videos. I do them daily, and hopefully you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time.